Are you searching for a golden opportunity to maximize your profit in the real estate market? Look no further than buying foreclosed properties. With their affordable price tags and potential for lucrative returns, investing in foreclosures has become an enticing option for savvy investors. In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding, purchasing, and selling foreclosed properties, helping you unlock the secrets to success in this profitable venture. So get ready to dive into the world of buying foreclosed properties for profit. It's time to make your money work harder for you. What is a foreclosed property? It's a term that often gets thrown around in the real estate world, but what does it actually mean? Put simply, a foreclosed property is one that has been taken back by the bank or lender due to the previous owner's failure to make mortgage payments. When this happens, the bank becomes the legal owner of the property and seeks to sell it in order to recoup their losses. Foreclosures can occur for various reasons: financial hardship, job loss, divorce, and they can happen to properties of all types: houses, condos, commercial buildings. The important thing to note is that these properties are typically sold at prices below market value. This presents an incredible opportunity for investors looking for bargains and potential profit. So why do banks sell foreclosed properties at discounted prices? Well, when a bank takes possession of a property through foreclosure proceedings, it becomes an asset on their books. However, banks are not in the business of owning real estate, they want cash flow instead. Selling these properties quickly allows them to free up capital and minimize ongoing expenses like maintenance and taxes. When searching for foreclosed properties as investment opportunities, keep in mind that there are two main types: pre-foreclosures, also known as short sales, and REOs, real estate owned. Pre-foreclosures are homes where homeowners have fallen behind on mortgage payments but haven't gone through foreclosure yet. Investors can negotiate with these homeowners before they lose their home completely. On the other hand, REOs are fully owned by banks after going through foreclosure auctions without any successful bids from buyers. These tend to be more straightforward purchases since you're dealing directly with the bank selling them. In conclusion, as much as I'm trying not to use those words here, understanding what constitutes a foreclosed property is vital when venturing into this potentially profitable niche within real estate investing. By recognizing how these properties come about and why they are often sold at a discount, you can. How to find foreclosed properties. Finding foreclosed properties can be a lucrative opportunity for real estate investors looking to make a profit. But how do you go about finding these hidden gems? Here are some strategies to help you discover foreclosed properties in your area. One of the simplest ways to find foreclosed properties is through online listings. Many websites specialize in listing foreclosure properties, allowing you to search by location and other criteria. These sites often provide detailed information on the property's condition, estimated value, and auction dates. Another method is to work with local real estate agents who have experience dealing with foreclosures. They may have access to exclusive listings or insights into upcoming auctions. Building relationships with these professionals can give you a competitive edge in finding the best deals. Attending foreclosure auctions can also be a productive way to find properties at discounted prices. Keep an eye on public notices for upcoming auctions and come prepared with cash or financing options. Networking within the real estate industry can lead you to potential leads on distressed properties. Joining local investor groups or attending industry events can connect you with like-minded individuals who may share valuable information about available foreclosures. By utilizing these strategies and staying proactive, you'll increase your chances of finding profitable foreclosed properties that others might overlook. How to buy a foreclosed property. One of the most lucrative investments in the real estate market is buying foreclosed properties. These properties, often sold at a fraction of their market value, offer great opportunities for profit. But how exactly can you go about purchasing a foreclosed property? Here are some steps to guide you through the process. Start your search by exploring online platforms that specialize in listing foreclosed properties. These websites provide detailed information on available properties, including their location and price. Additionally, consider reaching out to local banks or credit unions as they often have lists of foreclosures in the area. Once you've identified a potential property, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Take into account factors like its condition, any outstanding liens or taxes, and comparable sales in the surrounding area. This will help you determine an appropriate purchase price and estimate potential profits. Next comes financing. While cash offers are preferred when buying foreclosed properties due to their competitive nature, securing financing from lenders is also possible. Make sure you meet all eligibility criteria and have solid documentation before approaching lenders. When making an offer on a foreclosed property, be prepared for competition. You may find yourself bidding against other investors who see the same profit potential as you do. To increase your chances of success, consider offering a higher earnest money deposit or reducing contingencies. Once your offer has been accepted and all necessary paperwork completed with escrow services or attorneys involved if required depending on where you live, it's time to close the deal. Ensure that all inspections are conducted during this period so that there are no surprises later on. Remember, buying foreclosed properties requires careful consideration and due diligence but can lead to substantial profits if done correctly. So follow these steps diligently and embark on your journey towards investing in foreclosure properties today. How to sell a foreclosed property. Selling a foreclosed property can be an opportunity to make a profit if done correctly. Here are some tips on how to sell a foreclosed property and maximize your return. First, make sure the property is in good condition before listing it for sale. Fix any obvious issues such as leaky faucets or broken windows. Consider hiring a professional inspector to identify any hidden problems that could affect the sale. Next, determine the market value of the property by researching recent sales of similar homes in the area. This will help you set an appropriate asking price that will attract potential buyers. When marketing the property, highlight its unique features and potential for renovation or investment. Use high-quality photos and descriptions to showcase its best qualities. Consider working with a real estate agent who specializes in selling foreclosed properties. They will have experience navigating the complexities of these types of transactions and can help you find qualified buyers. Be prepared for negotiations and be open to considering offers from investors or cash buyers who may be looking for bargain opportunities. Ensure all necessary paperwork is completed accurately and on time to avoid delays or legal complications during the closing process. Selling a foreclosed property requires careful planning, research, and attention to detail. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of selling quickly and at a profitable price point. Conclusion: buying foreclosed properties can be a lucrative investment opportunity for those who know how to navigate the market. By understanding what a foreclosed property is, where to find them, and how to purchase and sell them effectively, you can maximize your chance of making a profit. Remember that buying foreclosed properties does come with risks, so do your due diligence and research before diving in. It's important to thoroughly assess the condition of the property and consider any repairs or renovations that may be necessary. Additionally, keep in mind that timing is crucial when it comes to purchasing foreclosed properties. Stay updated on foreclosure listings, attend auctions if applicable, and work closely with real estate professionals who specialize in these types of transactions. Always approach selling a foreclosed property strategically. Determine the best marketing strategies for reaching potential buyers quickly and efficiently while maximizing your return on investment. With careful planning and execution, buying foreclosed properties for profit can provide you with an excellent opportunity to grow your real estate portfolio or generate extra income. So go out there, explore this exciting avenue of real estate investment, and potentially reap substantial rewards.